Hi friends, Adele here from Go Balak. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching another one of my videos. This week we're in New Orleans at the Royal Sonesta, right in the French Quarter on Bourbon Street. My fiance and I were here last week, which was the beginning of Jazz Fest. Now it was kind of pricey per night, and at first we were disappointed because the rooms felt quite dated. Though classic, they did feel quite dated, but the rooms were comfortable enough and the location paid for itself. We were near all of the restaurants that we saw on Food Network and on YouTube, such as Felix, Acme, Bourbon House. We were a block away from Tropical Isle and we went to try the world famous hand grenade. I stuck with my vodka soda. But this property is comfortable with a very classic, semi-grand yet antique lobby. There's a jazz club downstairs, a restaurant. There is a stunning courtyard pool. Now, most pools in New Orleans are basically tubs in the ground, but Royal Sonesta has taken the time to tile it and make the space visually pleasing. And on some days, there's even a DJ, a good DJ, playing Drake, Taylor Swift, the top 40s. It was pretty energetic. There's also a pool bar with waiter service around the pool. So in between all of that eating of soft shell crab, charred oysters, and crawfish, chill by the pool and work up some hunger doing some laps if you want. Now, there are 3 really famous properties in the French Quarter. That's the Royal Sonesta, the Omni, and Hotel Monteleone. Now, if I were to pick, I'd still pick the Royal Sonesta. No matter the pricing, it tends to be the cheapest of the 3 anyway. But again, the location is top notch. It's even across the street from the Cafe Beignet garden stage. Listening to brass and jazz while having a coffee and a delicious beignet, you can't beat that on a warm but breezy afternoon. Now, if you are coming here and you look up the price and it's closer to the top of your budget, good alternatives are the Hyatt Centric and the 4 Points. Close to this property, not as fancy, pool not so good, but great as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.